Hi guys, I'm Jodie Baker and I'm the founder of the Homepeel skincare range. Homepeel has been around for about 17 years. We're a cosmeceutical grade natural skincare brand. Cosmeceutical grade meaning that the active ingredients have been scientifically proven to transform skin are at the high enough percentages in order to work. Natural meaning that you no longer have to slather your skin in aggressive toxins that age and damage your skin. I'm 50, I do all my videos without any makeup, and today I'm here to talk to you about our gorgeous Longevity Elixir, okay? So it's a beautiful oil. And as you see, I'm already shiny because I've done a couple of takes on this and it's gone a bit pear-shaped. So I'm just gonna squeeze one little bit out here so you can see it. But I'm not going to put much on because I've already got heaps on my skin right now. So as I'm rubbing it in, I'm just going to take you through a couple of the reasons why we created this product and why it's so amazing. So first of all, it regenerates, it repairs, it protects, and it feeds. All right, so I'm just going to massage it in here. Okay, so how does it regenerate? So it's got two very powerful heavy hitters in that arena. It's got the Gua Sha and it has the sea buckthorn, organic sea buckthorn oil in it. Both of those are antioxidants, but the Gua Sha is full of, now I'm going to try and say this without mucking it up, tryptopanoids, okay? It's full of tryptopanoids, and tryptopanoids are a natural occurring ingredient that generates new collagen. So that's the Gua Sha. That's one of the reasons why we've chosen that for this beautiful oil elixir, okay? Another regenerative quality that it has is that the organic sea buckthorn is full of omega-7. Now, omega-7 is very rare to find in ingredients, so that's amazing. And omega-7 is wonderful at regenerating collagen as well. It's full of carotenoids, and carotenoids regenerate collagen, so that's why that's fantastic. So next, and a little tip, always put your skincare on the back of your hands. It's amazing. Okay, because they need love as well. This Longevity Elixir is also going to protect your skin. So the Gua Sha and the organic sea buckthorn are both very powerful antioxidants. How do antioxidants work? Well, they protect your skin from free radical damage. So these are these little guys that go around trying to hurt skin cells. So that is what an antioxidant does. So it's very, very protective. It feeds your skin. How does it feed your skin? Okay, so the Gua Sha is full of vitamin A, vitamin C, and B12. The organic sea buckthorn is full of so many amazing ingredients that I actually had to write it down. So you've got A, C, K, E, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, copper, and zinc. Okay, so it's very, very, very nutritious for your skin. So it's going to regenerate, it's going to repair, and it's going to feed. On our website, we sell this gorgeous Longevity Elixir in bundles, so you can get it with the dermal roller. So you could actually just roll it in to the skin, so it's going to push the oils into the dermis where it can do even more amazing magical effects. But we also sell it with the Gua Sha here. So both of these, the dermal roller and the Gua Sha, are available on our website to buy alone, or you can buy them in a pack with this particular Longevity Elixir. And if you get them in the bundle, you get the Gua Sha or the dermal roller, or even both. We have an option to get both. You can get them at half price. So I'm just going to quickly talk about the Gua Sha. So basically, it improves circulation. It stimulates collagen, it reduces puffiness and inflammation, and it stimulates the lymphatic drainage. And that's basically removing toxins. How does the Gua Sha work? So basically, by scraping it, do like a little, actually that's not how you use it. This little bit here is how you do the jawline. So by doing slight pressure and moving it across, you're breaking up the fascia of your skin, which is like the connective tissue. So just doing those little micro wounds encourages the skin to heal itself. So we're going to go in 5 ways. So we're going to start from the neck up, and we're just going to bring it up. Okay, just a very gentle scrape. Gua Sha actually means, don't quote me on this, Chinese for scraper or something like that. So that's kind of like why I sort of mentioned that we scrape. Okay, so we start there. Okay, the next way to go is the jaw. So you bring it, put your jaw in there, and then you bring it all up along the jawline. Usually like about I'd say about 8 or 9 times. Okay, next we're going to go this way. Okay, now you're always kind of moving away like this to the other side. You'd probably do it longer. Well, you would do it longer. I'm just doing it quick here. The brow line, so see the brow line like this. Okay. And then up. Okay. So that is how you use your Gua Sha with the Longevity Elixir. If you want to use it with a dermal roller, I've got one here to show you, but I'm not going to use it because this is actually not the one that comes with it. This is the only one that I could find around the bathroom. It's got much longer needles on it, and I use that for my hair to regenerate some hair growth. But that's like a whole other video. When using it, so you've finished applying the oil, just go up, across, on a diagonal, no more than 1 or 2 passes, and then on the side I just go like that, and then I'll go across like that, and I'll do that over on the other side, and then across like that, just a little bit on the nose, and just a little bit like that. That's about all I would do, and I might just add a tiny few more drops. Those little micro channels have been created now. I'll get a couple of little drops of the Longevity Elixir, and I would just reapply just so that that beautiful oil can sink into those little micro channels we just created. All right, so thank you for that. Remember to email us at skincarecoach@homepeel.com.au if you have any further questions. Have a great day.